So now let's see how we can use the print option inside of WordPad. So in order to use the print option directly, you can go to File and then you can go to Print. And here you can see print as an option. Once you click on print, what happens is that you get the printer option. So let's say, for example, I want to print it using Microsoft Print to PDF, which is a virtual printer. I do not have a physical printer, so I'll be using this option which generates a PDF file. And this is exactly how the print will look if you were to print it in an actual page. You can go around and then go to Preferences right here and then choose Landscape or Portrait, which is the printing option provided by Microsoft Print to PDF. I can change the number of copies right here. So if you want to go around with the page range and so forth, you can also choose the page range right here. I'm simply going to select all, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Print. So once I do that, what happens is that on my desktop, so I'm just going to go around onto my desktop and save it as a PDF file. Since this is a virtual printer, it is generating a PDF file. I'm going to type in test and press save, and now let's see what happens. It has printed out a PDF version of the file right here. So if I were to open this up, then what happens is that let me just go around and then open this up with a PDF reader. So I'm going to go around over here and open it with Acrobat Reader. And this is how it actually looks like. So you got 2 pages which is printed out. Let me just close this around, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to File and then I'm going to go to Print. If I were to click on Quick Print, what it does is it automatically opens up the default printer with the default settings, and in case you have a printer, it'll directly start printing it. So I'm going to type in test2 right here, and then directly it prints out the document, as you can see right here, without any further option. So I'm just going to open this out with, let's say, for example, Acrobat Reader, and this is what you have as a printed file. And that is how you can work around with the print option inside of WordPad. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.